Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I am going to show you all on how you can make your own homemade pancake mix from scratch. This will last in your in your pantry up to a year, okay? Now, whatever expiration date that's on your ingredients that you use to make this pancake mix, you can go by that as well. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on making this homemade pancake mix. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy pancake mix that you can make anytime. It's pretty much everything is already added in here, so all you need to do is add water, your egg, a little bit of oil, and make your pancakes. So we are going to go ahead and start adding everything in here. Right here I have a total of 8 cups of flour. So we're going to go ahead. I did strain this, okay, or strain it. I ran it through a sieve to get all the lumps out. So again, this is 8 cups of flour. Okay, so to our flour, we are going to add a total of 1.5 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Go ahead and get that in there. Now, if you want to use regular sugar, you can, but the powdered sugar, in my opinion, mix up better with the flour, okay? So again, if you want to use regular sugar, you definitely can, but again, I got 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. So we're going to go ahead and just get that mixed in. Okay, so now we're going to add in our leavening agents, okay? Now you definitely need these in here so that your pancakes will get nice and fluffy. So here I have a total of 8 cups. Lord. Okay, so now we're going to add in our leavening agents, and we definitely need these in here because this is going to help your pancakes to get nice and fluffy, okay? So here I have a total of 8 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, and a total of 2 teaspoons of salt. So we're going to go ahead and get that in here. Then you want to go ahead and just give that a good mix and make sure it's all mixed in. Definitely, if you want to run it through a sieve again, you definitely can, okay? So go ahead and get it all mixed in. So we got that nice and mixed in. So last but not least, okay, because once you add this in here, all you need to do is add water and that's it. So we're going to go in with 1 cup of buttermilk powder. Go ahead and get that in there. I'm going to go ahead and scrape this jar. I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we got the milk powder in there, you want to definitely go ahead and give this a good mix. And by you adding in this milk powder, like I said, all you need to do is add water. And that's it. You can make your pancakes. But if you want those nice, decadent, extra fluffy like pancakes, you can go in with an egg. You can add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Of course, you're going to cook this in butter. But if you want to add like 2 tablespoons of oil to your batter as you make it, it'll be perfect, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get this milk powder mixed in here. And I wanted to make sure I got all of that out of my jar. You guys know how high things are getting, so I want my money's worth. So I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed in. So here we are here, guys. Our homemade pancake mix is done, okay? Very simple and very easy. I will post this recipe down below for you guys to have if you're interested in making your own to have on hand in your pantry. Now, to every 1 cup of mix, you want to add, like I said, some water. And you can just leave it at that and you can make your pancakes. Or if you want extra fluffy pancakes, because they're going to be fluffy anyway. But if you want to make extra fluffy, you can go in with the egg. You can add in some extra oil if you like into your batter, okay? Now remember, more water makes a thinner batter. Less water makes a thicker batter, okay? So again, I'll put all of the instructions down below for you guys to have if you're interested in making this mix. So if you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up because those likes, guys, actually help my channel out a lot, okay? So I know I just recently started back uploading, but I'm trying to get my channel, you know, back out there. So please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And stay tuned for more video recipes like this to go in your pantry, you know, pantry staples. So until next time, you guys take care. Later.